So. What is happening with this breeze?
Something is coming out.
We'll say, Mommy's a monsters. I don't want to stay in my bed by myself.
Oh no, that was Stevie last night. So that was like, get
so
back in your
annoying.
bed.
I have to be like, Remy, you know I've never seen a monster. I've never seen a monster. And I was like, if a monster lives here, I need to talk to it because it needs to pay some bills. Alright, hello everybody and welcome to another episode of Tuesdays with Tricky, where we take your mind off of what's going on outside the closet and bring you in here for a full hour, or maybe a little less, of fun, frolic and
foolishness.
Watch Goody pretending like she have edges.
Listen,
a guy came to me in Fontana today and he's like, hey, how are you? I like your hair.
Nobody came up to you.
I swear to God, he had on gym clothes and he was tall and dark. He wasn't really handsome, but he had a beard. He had some of the attributes to be like, you know, the kind of guy that I like. But I don't know, he was kind of nerdy. I like your hair. I'm like, my hair? He's like, yeah, your hair and your eyebrows. I was like, okay, I could deal with the eyebrows, but my hair's in a bun.
He likes that. He likes that.
He likes my hair in a bun? I don't know. I just didn't think that was his strongest pickup line.
Maybe he wasn't trying to pick you up.
Huh?
Maybe he wasn't trying to pick you up.
He's saying he likes my hair. I know, and then he asked me something and then I was trying to remember my list audibly, so I was like, crepe paper, this way, and he's like, okay, going away, and I was like, yeah, bye. So I wasn't being a bitch though. I wasn't being a bitch. You done grease down your head?
Jealous?
My hair is always greased. I actually washed my hair yesterday.
Hello, everybody. I am ready.
Your hair going drop out, you see?
Why? Why are you so bad,
Just leave me alone.
Why are you so bad, man? I can't help it. It's long. It's over my shoulder.
Tracy, you look so brown and sun-kissed because she was in my makeup container. And all of my light winter colors I've packed for Mexico. So she in the summer case looking like a damn brown
Stop being.
Okay, I hate her. All right,
I hate her. I look good.
I never said you didn't look good. Stop that. You're going to make me itch.
Stop what?
You're going to make me itch. Miss Chin. So you know before like you go to sleep and you actually dream and you start thinking of things and whatever. So I was thinking of how I could make a difference in the hospital industry, and I was like, I would only hire, like I had a business and I would only hire people from Tuesdays with Tricky, and I was like, well, it was a hospital business. I was like, yeah, and I'd link Miss Chin. I just thought of her the other night. Where is Mr. Remy and Levi? They are at school. Thank God.
So today we have from...
That's mine. Grapefruit Rosemary Delight. Lady B, you saw that, right? I told you she always tries to take my drink.
And this is easy breezy. It's made with passion fruit, chamomile, and tequila. Whoop, whoop. Cinco de Mayo is coming up, speaking of tequila. Whoop, whoop. And Lady B is having a special sale, Cinco de Mayo. So place your orders.
So she has a couple flavors with... couple flavors in the Cinco de Mayo cocktail special. It's $800 and the margaritas within the special are listed below. We have Tropical Desire, which is sweet white peach blended with tart grapefruit and a splash of rosé.
Then we have Sun Kissed, which is juicy peaches with muddled fresh rosemary.
And then we have the Summer Melody, fresh cherries blended with sweet lychees.
Ooh, that one sounds good. Summer Melody.
And if you want to make it stronger, you're my kind of girl. You can pay $100 to add a shot to make it stronger. And if you want to add it stronger and spicier, she can add a stronger spicy shot for $200. So you can link Lady B at her at Lady B Mixology, and she will assist you as to what you need, where you can pick up, etc, etc.
But you guys, don't be flops. Cinco de Mayo is upon us.
Yeah, it's just, let's celebrate. I was like, oh, we're not Spanish, we don't speak Spanish. Well, you know what, every time I go to Miami, they speak Spanish to me. So, cumpleaños Cinco de Mayo.
And I believe that we can celebrate with other cultures as well. Like, it's not your birthday, but you celebrate with people when it's their birthday. You can celebrate.
Sí.
Celebration.
Sí.
Panama!
I don't know, Panama. I didn't tell her. Don't talk about the candy.
Panama. I think for my birthday, I might go to Panama.
The ingredients sound delicious and refreshing.
So anyway, also before I forget,
Right.
to say what?
Sorry, the wax with your hair stick off. I remember when your hair was dropping out and you were crying. No, look at you. You just have a big forehead. You don't have a big bald forehead. Well, it's just, it's still big and bald, but you know what I mean. Nice, long, smooth, silky hair.
Thanks, Joe. So these shirts are from Sean Paul's merchandise. Dirty.
Yeah.
And he has hats to go along with them too, so he gave us some shirts to wear. I'm actually going to wear this shirt for the rest of the week.
Let's see. You can
I'm gonna wear this shirt on Thursday.
What's happening Thursday? Oh yeah, we're going. Hi, Wayne. So I want to tell you the name of the website. So I've actually gone on and I've ordered a hoodie. So Sean has hoodies and he has t-shirts. There's socks as well. So I don't know. There's a suitcase.
I've asked him for the socks.
I asked for socks too, and he
ignored you.
He definitely ignored me. Sean ignores me sometimes, you know. Hey ladies, bring me one. Oh, the birthday girl wants one.
Aye, yes, Pinners. What size you want? We have large.
I think it's I don't know. I don't know what size is this.
I have on a large and Jodi, but I like mine and Jodi has on a small. The small.
Alright, we're bringing a Chico. But I want like some more like nicer colors. I don't like. I'm not a yellow person. I think that's why.
I like that color though.
I don't like the yellow.
I like that yellow.
So let's see.
You can't really have Dirty in pink.
Why? He has a Dirty shirt in pink. Sean has. If I could ever show you Sean's suitcase right now, hold on. He's going to kill me. Hold on.
Don't show it. You know he's private. He's super private.
Show them.
So this is from Sean's suitcase. He has one black Dirty shirt in gold.
No, you have to fold it back up quick before him come home.
Oh my gosh.
Purple Dirty.
Okay, sorry. I'm not going to unfold them because...
Black on black Dirty.
Black on black Dirty.
Oh, wait, these aren't Dirty. Hold on.
Purple and white Dirty. This is in Sean Paul's suitcase.
White Dirty.
This is light grayish cream.
Is he there? Oh, I thought that was
and
him.
White Dirty. Black and white Dirty. 1, 2...
Oh, see the pink Dirty here?
Oh,
pink
and a pink Dirty. Oh, pink Dirty. Pink Dirty.
Black on black Dirty.
I like the black on black Dirty still. It's really cool.
Oh, we have another black on black Dirty here. Oh. What is this one?
And I like that he's already worn them. I think I want one of these.
Pink Dirty. Hold on. We have black on black Dirty.
Well, he has a lot of black on black.
We have ombre Dirty.
Oh.
We have the Dirty that I have on. So like, so one day I was cussing out Sean. I was like, yo, it looks like you're doing bad. Yeah, he's like, you know how many shirts of these I have? I mean, if he's not gonna wear his own merch, who's going to?
Me, I love to wear shirts that Sean has already worn, and it's not because it's Sean Paul that has worn the shirts. That's cool too, but it's because like worn shirts are just so much cozier. You know what I mean? Like they are just. They're softer, they're washed, you know, and
not only that, but Sean will wear the shit out of a shirt.
And then I will wear the shit out of it after he throws it away. I'll go through his pile and I'll like take it out. Sometimes I wonder what he thinks, because like I start wearing them to the house and he'll be like, didn't I throw that away? And I'm just there rocking it.
Like the elephant shirt?
The elephant, he got mad about that one though.
Tracy stole one of Sean's favorite shirts to wear to bed. And then we were on holiday.
It had holes in it though. Like
he loved that shirt. He loved it. So he's like, oh my gosh, so nice and warm. I'm gonna wear this to bed. So then now we're on vacation somewhere, like a family vacation. And Sean's like, yo, you no longer looking for that shirt?
I was like, it's mine now. He's like, but it's mine, and you can't just take my things. And I'm like, Sean, it has a hole in there. Don't
I know.
Anyway. This is the Mother's Day jar from Strictly Cookies. Take your braces out. Take your braces out.
Okay, what we have. There's all kind of things on the martino.
Well, let's guess what.
Tricky sounds a bit creepy. Definitely.
I didn't.
Nothing cropped? No, but the Dirty is high enough that you could crop it.
And I actually love doing a personalization to a shirt, like a personal crop, or like when you cut it and you can cut the 2 strings, like, you know. I like getting the bigger shirts. And then cropping them.
This looks like a cheesecake, you know.
Yeah.
So we have Simply Cookies, our Mother's Day jar.
It's strawberry.
Scott says don't finish it. Scott, I don't know. She's a little bit of a hog with these jars.
It's a strawberry cheesecake jar.
Oh. This one is really good.
It's a classic.
This one is really, really good. The cheesecake. Oh.
Yeah.
It's tart. The strawberry is something sweet. This thing is moussey. Oh my gosh, this one is really good. Okay.
This is a definite.
I'll put this one in my top 5.
This is a definite.
This one is really good.
So you did the Mother's Day Strictly Cookies cookie jar.
It sounded like you said a bad word a while ago.
Sorry, I can barely talk. Also, Teachers' Day is coming up. Maybe I should get this for my teachers.
So what you could do would be really nice. So you have your jar, and then this on its own is a really nice gift of appreciation. But like you can tie on your little gift card. You know, if you have like another little token, this and a little token together.
Or this alone is just fine.
Oh no, I didn't tell you where to get the shirts. I don't remember the name of the website. SeanPaul.com, DirtyRock.com. Let me look and tell you. That's a worthless wife.
Oh my gosh. She goes onto the website to buy shirts.
I had to buy my own jumper. What would it be called? SeanPaul.com.
So anyway, I wanted to talk today about...
I don't think this is it.
No, I don't think
no,
that's
it's
it.
not, no.
I wanted to talk today about jealousy and how jealousy looks.
Tracy, just because your hair start growing, this is how people end up with alopecia. You go on.
So jealousy comes in many forms. Sometimes it's just outright. Like what you are doing to me.
Okay.
Because your little Jerry's don't grow.
I have them back in my pony. You see, when I start to let out my hair, you're going to be like, wow. You see, when summer come and I have my summer curls, and I just whoop poof.
And your juices, the Jerry juices just licking.
All right, Tracy. All right. You know, you stay right there.
I'm right here. When summer comes, I won't even need a bikini.
You're going to get... What are you going to do? Adam and Eve it out?
Yeah, my hair is so long I can cover my nips with it.
AllSeanPaul.com. So also if you go onto AllSeanPaul.com, you'll also see where he is touring to. You'll see all of his clothing stuff. But you know what Sean really needs? Like a blinger. Like this dirty blinged out. My jumper. Let me show you my jumper. I paid for it. But I use Sean's money to pay for it.
You made Sean Paul buy his own Sean Paul merch?
Yeah. Because people too beggy. People too beggy. All of the people who you say, oh, Sean is my friend. Buy a friggin' ticket to his show and stop calling him and begging him tickets. Yes, everybody get ready, screen record this and send it. Send it. I'm so sick and tired. Sean sitting down there, oh, this one is begging me. If you are a real fucking friend, you would buy a ticket. Stop asking for tickets. And I'm sorry, Sean, I'm not deleting it or taking it back. So we have this one here. This one could have been blinged out. No, man, I'm sick of people, man. I don't walk and beg tickets, man. If somebody is my friend, PP said it over the carnival time too. He's like, this is my business. You know, how could you be my friends and you keep begging me passes and begging me tickets? I've never begged PP a ticket. I've never begged anybody a ticket. If I want to go, I'll go and I support my friends. My friends have a business, I go and I support them. If something is happening, I'll ask for a discount or something like that. But people just beg too friggin' much, man. You won't go to and go floss with your Hennessy and your floss and you have camera up in a Sean Pit. Buy the fucking ticket. So this tastes lovely.
So you can find out more about the purchasing of tickets on allseanpaul.com.
Right. I really wish, I wish Sean would let me talk the things this year and start call people friggin' name.
Well, the time I did that, you got pissed off with me, but you know, time and place, because I guess it wasn't in Pizza Pit. It was not the place to do it.
In Pizza Pit?
Remember that? When you had to carry me out? Almost started that time. Those are the days. That was wild.
Alright,
anyway,
so what were we doing here now? Right. It's a nice website. You know, he's a good looking guy.
Sean is very cute. You stay there. Sean is very cute.
So we have Orlando. The most begging comes from Florida. Miami Beach, even more begging than Orlando. Then we have Vegas, Atlanta, Boston, Austin, Texas, Houston, Denver, and then Las Vegas, which is a nice tour going on. So if you're in the States, buy your ticket, support your friend, support your favorite artist, support the music genre that you like. Drew, don't ask me if I eat, because I'm going to tell you about the nasty shake I just had. I asked them what protein powder they showed me, and you can't tell me that that belly that I let go a while ago was not Lasco. They lied to me.
So it is a strawberry shortcake cookie jar, soft chewy sugar cookies, homemade strawberry jam, vanilla cream cheese, and cinnamon spice strudel. Cinnamon. They are taking orders now up to Sunday, May 5th on their website. Pickup will be Saturday, May 11th. Details are on the website as well. Trust me, I think this is a great
Sarah, every time he comes to France, we support the thing. Sarah, when I come to France this summer with the kids, you support the thing and I'll get you backstage passes for you and your friends. You see, that's what you must do. Hey, Sean, I bought a ticket. Do you mind backstage passes for me and my friends? You know how much better that would sound? And yo, it's me and my virgin. It's always one bag of balls a roll. Anyway, Sarah, yes, you can join me. I'll have Levi and Remy. Sarah, she's always here. She's always commenting, and she went
with the black and white picture.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, Sarah Curry. Yeah.
So when we go to France, Sarah, I'll get you some backstage passes. I missed the name of the business. Sean Paul, allseanpaul.com. You can get your dirty shirts. Sean has them in every single color. You know, he even has them. The black on black was actually when the first days of printing, and the label actually came off. So it's actually yeah. So Jodi saying so serious thing. We did that once, and he took us backstage. See, I'm saying, man. No man, the shake must mess up my bestie mood. I'm going to say service too.
I'm going to say that this is
possibly
I think it's a classic flavor, and I think it's one of my favorite.
Really well.
Yeah, it's one of my favorite cookie jars, definitely.
Oh, 100%. Thank you, Melly-Boo.
I wonder if she's going to do something for Teacher's Day.
Well, Teacher's Day and Mother's Day are so close together.
Yeah, I guess because she doesn't live in Kingston, she has to do the whole delivery thing.
And do what? One thing. Any concert in New York? I'm sure there is. It's actually yes, there is, and the one in New York is sold out, begged out.
What did you have to talk about?
Nothing. Do I ever have anything to talk about? I'm just easy breezy beautiful. Alright, fine, you don't want to say it.
Easy breezy pum pum cheesy. That's you?
Easy breezy pum pum cheesy.
Stevie is the best. I love her so much. Anyway, so what summer programs have you decided to sign up your kids for? I haven't really.
So we're looking into summer now. Yes, I saw a lady in Fontana a while ago, and she was asking about Remy and Remy's birthday, and I was like, Remy, keep asking about her birthday, and I tell her to sit down. It's a long way away. She was like, no, May, June. We're in May. No, May is almost May, June, July, August. To start planning another party.
You're gonna have a party for her?
She's gonna be 5. Yeah. I'm gonna do the regular thing I have here. I can't not do a party for Levi and Remy the same year. And remember, you know, Remy is not in school, so whereas Levi, it's kind of easier to send the cupcakes and the goodie bags. Remy doesn't get any of that. I'm thinking maybe to just do like a water something on the front lawn and let the kids play. Actually, I probably can't. We won't have any water in Jamaica. It's going to be like the Sahara Desert.
I guess you could have a safari party.
Again, I've had a safari party before.
Well, I get what's a Dubai party then, since it's a desert.
Dubai, since it's a desert. Oh, we're getting fancy. We're getting fancy. Or black on black. Alright, so we need to look for shirts for everybody. Sean is gonna cuss.
Wow, I'm trying not to eat this jar and save it for my husband.
My husband.
But I'm not going to lie that it's hard because this is so good.
What about a tea party? I would love to do that, but it's like you have the cousins and the brother, you know, and then they're like, oh, we're not invited. And Sean's like, oh, you can't do that. Maybe I could do that. But Remy doesn't strike me as like a tea party kind of chick, though.
It's about to ask.
Yeah, she's not a tea party kind of. Little petty, etc. She would like that.
A smarty.
She would like a smarty. Maybe I could do what Savannah did. Tiffany did for Savannah. There's like a little place where you go for mani-pedis and massages, and there's a runway where the kids can model.
Oh, cute.
I thought that was really cool. I'm gonna ask Tiffany what her feedback. I forget what it was.
Yeah, cool. Cool. So anyway,
what we're talking about? Winter, I hate when you drop in and out, you see, man.
So I had a good week. It's been a long week. It's been hot. It's been hot.
Yeah.
I don't have anything much to say. I haven't really been online to see what's going on the gram or the talk.
Gram or the talk. Oh, na 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 na.
Jodi's way too much on the talk.
I love your TikTok. You have the Asian makeup challenge. Oh my gosh, those girls take so long to do that and film it, and it takes so much effort. Do you guys know what I'm talking about? Strictly Cookies is late.
Strictly Cookies is very late.
Strictly Cookies. Don't even mention it. Boy.
Late.
Strictly Cookies.
You're late.
This one here, and I know everybody loves a cheesecake, but this jar.
So Strictly Cookies, we're wondering about Teachers Day, because Teachers Day is on the
that one.
9th?
No, Teachers Day is going to be celebrated on Wednesday, May the 8th.
Are you sure?
Which means that Mother's Day would be that Sunday. We enjoyed it. We're saving this for later. Yes, what was it called again? Ahsoka. So you have the makeup challenge, and the girls are, Tracy, the transitions are crazy, and it's long. The challenge is long too.
I know you mean. You tried to make me watch one. Not into it. Sorry.
Just to like appreciate.
It was more than a minute. Like after 30 minutes of appreciating, and you're going like this.
And the squeaky voice. Tracy, nobody could have had a more squeakier voice than you.
I didn't say I didn't have a squeaky voice. Just saying it's annoying.
I know when the mother.
I'm tired.
I'm always tired.
I think I have work after this.
I thought you were gonna say that you have worms.
I think I have work.
You have worms?
No, not the time. No, yeah, I have work after.
You have work? Oh,
tragic.
Baby Reindeer. You told me to watch that, Drew, but I haven't watched it yet.
I watched Baby Reindeer. It was.
It's a movie.
Weird. It's a Netflix series, and it's based on true events, and it's pretty crazy. Like it's pretty crazy. Like how when you have no boundaries, like how you just get carried away into things because you just say yes. Like it's crazy how being a yes man.
How many in the series?
I'm not sure.
How many episodes?
I'm not sure.
Oh. How was the show went over the weekend? The kids were so cute. The kids were really cute, and
they were excited
so expressive,
to do their thing. Yeah.
So it's also this weekend as well. If you guys want to check out Matilda, I'll put some. I don't want to put too much information, but anyway, Kim says hi and showed her all up over Insta. I don't know if it was based in truth. 8 episodes. Oh, that's a lot. The man sell him bun to be famous. What bun? What he sold to be famous?
His bun.
His bunum.
I'll leave you to watch it.
Oh. So you going to see all of that?
You don't see that. It's very well edited.
Shit. Yeah.
But I mean, you know, it's crazy because like pretty much he had no boundaries. He had no yes sir. He had no yes or no's. He was just like going off of a whim. And you know, for me as somebody who is like a strong personality, it's hard to believe that could happen. But you know, looking at it, it's like, damn, you know, I guess that does happen to people.
Jodi, just watch it. Alright, when I finish, I'm watching Breaking Bad now. Oh, but Sean is leaving. Sean and I have been watching Breaking Bad in the night.
So then watch Baby Reindeer.
Oh yeah, when he's gone, I'll watch it. So when he comes back, we can catch up on Breaking Bad. We don't really watch. You know, like watch. He's a brush dad.
How many times do you brush your teeth now?
Every time I take it out before I put it back in, I brush it because I was.
Lad.
Well, I was drinking that damn shake, so it's all the oats and stuff under there.
That's disgusting,
man. At least I'm not taking it out to drink. You take your retain out to drink a shake.
I take mine out to drink coffee.
Are you serious? No, I leave mine in. I've had it. I don't see my teeth moving though.
Because you barely ever wear it.
I wear it to bed.
You had it out all day on Sunday on the kitchen counter.
Yeah, because I forgot to put it back in.
So then don't tell me I wear it.
I did extra work on Breaking Bad. That's so cool. I think it's such a well-written show. Such a well-written show.
I've never watched it. coming down to my last trays.
Me too.
I only have, I think, 3 or 4 more trays left.
I go in a week to get an update to see what's happening.
Probably nothing.
I know. Maybe I'll get Invisalign.
You have to wear Invisalign 22 hours a day, and if you can't even wear that, do you wear it to sleep?
Yeah. I wear it to sleep. So in the evening after I brush my teeth, 10 o'clock it's on, I take it out in the morning to brush my teeth, and then I put it back in because I don't really eat breakfast. I'll have coffee. But the first time today I've taken it out after brushing it this morning was just a while ago to have that jar. So.
Yeah, you should leave it in for as much as possible. I
don't
know why that annoys me so much.
That's how they sing. She's actually singing about a guy and her love in the wind and how the wind has blown by.
How many people you know pregnant right now?
Yeah, pregnant?
Yeah.
I have to think about it.
How come doing your nails is so expensive?
I don't know. I ask Lisa this all the time. She's such a pain in the butt. But I love her.
Like it's so expensive. Like $7 grand, and then like in a week.
Wait, what? No, girl. You need to log on to these $7 grand, Tracy. Where are you going? Manor Park?
Yeah.
Well, okay.
Yeah. $7 grand to do gel nail polish.
First of all, gel nail polish takes less time than regular nail polish for a nail tech. Why are you charging more? I saw where somebody was saying this on TikTok. Like a nail tech was saying, she's like, I don't charge extra for gel nails. And I was like, yeah. You buy the actual polish. Maybe you could charge like a little bit more for electricity for your light. But like, it doesn't take more time.
Well,
it's ridiculous that there's such an upcharge for gel nail polish. But not $7 grand.
I just started to paint my nails recently, and like it's like more of a chore than it is a treat. Like you paint them, they look good, and then if they don't paint it properly, then
I'm
like,
glad you're here.
If they flood the nail base and this happens, then they're chipping. It's just like
you paid $7 grand for that, Tracy?
Yeah.
My God, Rebecca!
You see what I'm saying? The nail bed was flooded.
Yeah, well, that's because they put too much polish. Lisa actually taught teaches a course on gel, so she would never flood a nail bed. Trying to figure out how much 7,000 Jamaican dollars is in Canadian. God go with you, come in and know.
Like $35.
No, Tracy, nowadays things aren't $30 anymore. You know, you think you're buying fruit? How is it too? I got a pedi today with a nail polish, and I used to pay £30. It gone up to £38. I nearly passed out.
Yeah.
The production costs a lot more, and they have to be sure that the technique is correct. Okay, but like a little bit of a markup. But you don't think that how much they mark up gel is absolutely ridiculous? You know, they keep. I feel like they're paying for almost $70 Canadian. I feel like they're charging for time, but it doesn't take any more time. Like, it's ridiculous. Anyway, did you guys see the young lady who went to the Rock Hotel? And she brought her own cake, so they charged her a cake fee of $80, 80 US dollars to bring the cake. And I saw the discourse online. $80 is a bit much, but most places that you go, they do charge a fee because you're going to ask for napkins, you're going to ask for a knife to cut the cake, you're going to ask for plates, you know, you're going to ask for stuff. So, you know, they charge a fee because what was happening was everybody would come. They wouldn't say, hey, I'm having a birthday. They would just bring a cake. Okay, they put this in the fridge. You know, so I get them charging a fee, but I don't know. Rock Hotel, have you ever been?
No.
I went once. It was quite nice. Poor Sean was trying to get me a nice little dinner, and they comped the dinner. And he was like, this is the only thing I got here for Valentine's Day. I know I don't have anything. And then we went for ice cream after, and he didn't have any money. I just paid quickly, and he goes, I still didn't get you anything for Valentine's Day. And I'm like, your money that paid for it.
But why do you think $80 is a lot? 80 US. How much is that Jamaican?
So somebody was saying 80, then you have GCT, what it basically worked up to $100 just to bring the cake.
Yeah.
I find that's a lot. $50 inclusive of the GTT and whatever would be okay. You know, but I find too that restaurants don't like when you bring your own cakes. It's a disturbance to the other guests. It's annoying in the kitchen because you have a fridge space for the cake. Make sure it don't drop. Take it out the box, serve it, cut it up, take it back, cut it up, bring it back out in the slices. It's annoying. They don't like that. And more than likely the restaurant has its own desserts. So that's why restaurants charge a fee. They don't like it. But $80 is a lot.
Yeah.
Wait. Sorry. A lot of places here in the US charge a cake fee while you are dining. Some places even ask that the person who makes a cake has insurance. Oh, wow. Do a month-to-month trip. You book in advance. Flights to US are cheap. $80. $80 is ridiculous, honestly. The $50 ain't bad. How much are taxes in Jamaica? In Ontario, Canada, it's 13 or 15%. I think we're what? How much are taxes?
I think we're 16.5 now.
What?
Wow. I just feel like we're not living in the same place.
Not living in a bubble in the closet. A bubble in the closet. Plus, they don't really want the liability if someone gets sick in their restaurant from the cake. GCT in Jamaica is like 16.5%. We're being robbed and raped.
Why are you acting like you didn't know this?
Maybe just because I haven't paid it for anything today.
I mean, it's very expensive to live in Jamaica. Jamaica is very expensive.
And our cost of living is very high and our paychecks are very low. So, it's like a soca song. Pay your water bill, pay your light bill, you don't get no pay. So everybody... Song could have been better still.
Song sucked.
Song really sucked, but I feel like I'm onto something.
No, it's not really not soca.
No?
Just because you gave...
Maybe it was beige and soca, you know? You know, I have to get ready for crap over. If they have the cut slice cake, it's like $10 per person and you have 8 people, so that adds up quick. Do you guys have a Jamba Juice in Jamaica? No, we don't. The insurance and liability for food allergies or other food illnesses. Okay, that makes sense.
We don't have nice things in Jamaica.
That we do, but we don't.
Wow, you got a whole pack of this 12 pieces of dermaplaner.
That's because it came with this. Oh, I wish you didn't have on makeup.
No, don't bother spray that on me. What is that?
So,
don't spray anything on my face.
I'll spray it on your hand. It's called an identifier.
What am I identifying?
All of that hair. So what you do is
I just dermaplane. There's no hair on my face. That's how you're a hater. That's how you're a hater.
I thought you were looking pretty smooth, but I didn't want to say anything, you know, because I just wanted to spray you. So Jodi, wipe off her makeup, please. No, look how she looks alright. So I shave my face. So you shave your face too?
Yes.
So I shave my face. So what I usually is put on an oil or I mist it with some kind of toner and then I shave. So I saw this girl using this and I was like, oh my gosh, this looks so cool. It was cool, but it was $25. I don't think I'd buy it again. I would just use my toner. So she goes like this. There we go. So it's a hair identifier. So you see how it's turned all white and like frosty on my arm here? So then now you can see the hair because you weren't able to see it before. You were not able to see it before. It's like invisible hair. And then you go with your razor and you shave it off. And it looks really cool. Like when I was doing my face, it looked like a snow avalanche. But I love shaving my face. Like a pregnant woman period, but I finally made it to the live. Welcome. We have a hair identifier. China K is here. China K go buy her daughter a puppy.
Why would she do that?
And then asks me if I want one because the mail is still there. I just blocked her. I blocked her. I said no pets. No, I don't think China K has been around long enough to know of the book. No pets.
But why would you want a dog?
I don't know.
With a baby. Like the baby just turned 1.
It's
like you don't have enough work?
It's very cute though. It's just seeing the baby with the dog, but no. Can't bother with the dog.
I'm not doing
Can barely bother with the picnic, never mind the dog.
Don't eat.
Jeez, no.
Now you have to go buy kibble and vet bills.
But not only that, nowadays, if you go on TikTok, right, the dogs don't like the dry kibble alone. You have to moisten the kibble or you make some kind of food for the... I'm not doing that. I don't even cook for my kids and you want me to cook for the damn dog. No, Bruno, you gotta fend for yourself and dead. I'm coming to Jamaica this July. This is my first time traveling to somewhere hot like Jamaica in the summer. In the summer. Crazy for doing that. Girl, you know I got it.
You might.
I miss the nighttime reading. You know Sean Reese see the kids every night now? Remy complains about it.
Why?
I don't like how you read. I like how, because I use the voices and I do the dramatics, you know, where Sean's like, Sean reads the Bible. Them have 2 different Bible over there and Sean read the Bible. Then him get mad at me the other day because I did not know who Rabbas was. He said, I don't know. He was like one of Jesus's homies, and then Rabbas was... Oh, God. So Rabbas is something to do with betrayal, and they said, you want to dead? And then they said, no, kill Rabbas. Something like that, right? So Sean bring it up, and I'm like, I don't know who Rabbas is. He said, I can't believe you, and you're such an unreligious woman. And I was like, I'm sorry, but me giving my life to Christ, that have nothing to do with Rabbas. Who the fuck is Rabbas? And what is with the Bible and these names? Rabbas? That sounds like another language for sale. Rabbas, Rabbas, Rabbas. Like, Rabbas, US weed man out of town. No, it was not Barbabas. It was not Barbabas. He said Rabbas. Unless Sean said right, hey, don't play with Sean and the Bible, or Sean knowing Bible and teaching, pick them the Bible. Because when Levi ready to tell you about all kind of things out the Bible, I just look at him like...
I came over on Saturday and they were watching Bible TV. I was like...
Make them watch Bible TV. Okay. My children, here, situation here. Making up for your mother.
I know. I was like, oh, okay, this is what we're on the Saturday morning. This good Saturday morning.
See, Sun Kissed by Grace says, I would have never guessed. Anyway, you ask Sean anything about the good Old Testament, Sean is going to be like, no. Because so-and-so and blah, blah, blah. And then in the next breath, girl, see dick dirty hair under the panty. It's just, it has to balance itself off. You know?
Life is about balance.
Yeah, Rabbas and the panty singing, you know? It's Barbabas? No, I'm sure he said Rabbas.
Jodi. It's more than one person that said Barbas. Maybe
so
it's Barbas.
Barbabas. Alright, Barbabas. I mean, I wouldn't know.
Exactly.
I wouldn't know.
You're fighting a...
I only know John 3:16.
What's that?
For God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, that whosoever believeth in him shall not perish but have everlasting life.
Oh, good girl, Joe.
And I know a little bit of Ecclesiastes. Every time my auntie dead, me have to read at the funeral. Every single time. Auntie dead, me have to read. Uncle dead, me have to read. I say, sick of them people that are dead, and another one Ecclesiastes me have to read.
You know, if people die, I'm not upset about it.
No, but I mean, you know, we could read a little bit of Peter, could read a little John, you know? A little bit of the other places. Genesis, you know?
Yeah.
Barbabas and Sips Lady B. Listen, Jesus drank wine, you know? And he liked it because he made more of it,
That's
you know?
what I say.
Winsome is getting upset with me. She says, Joe! It's the pastor's daughter, you know. Winsome is Barbabas or Rabbas?
Winsome don't even know herself.
Look up above. I gave you the story of Barbabas. Who is... How do you do that? Somebody just gave a thumbs up. Tracy's so chill today. She must be on her mushrooms. And they chose Barbabas to be freed instead of... Oh, I thought they freed Jesus. Yo, them to treat Jesus fuck up, you know?
They did. Go down, Barbara.
Jodi needs to lend the No Pets book to Charlie K. I'm going to try find it.
Go down.
Wait, so it was... And they chose Barbabas to be freed instead of Jesus. But I'm looking for the first part of the story.
See there, keep listening.
Jodi, you need to... No, I keep reading the same comments.
Anyway.
Oh, here. I'm coming to Jamaica.
Well...
Sean did say something about... Wait till Nandi come for you.
Nandi been
Jodi, don't remember Sister Josette class them. Girl, that's when I was in the over by the lab playing dominoes. You couldn't beat me in a dominoes, you know. Hey! Yeah, man. And when they were learning Word and Excel and whatever, And me that by the labs, I slap some domino over by Immaculate.
Boy, you know, it's so funny. I'm really not up to date.
Barbara. Go Barbara.
Barbados. See, now
yes, crap over.
So it's so funny. Like, I'm really not up to date on like the dance hall thing. You know, Mexico?
Yes, Tracy.
Yeah?
Yes.
What about him?
He's cool.
He's good?
Yeah, man, he's good.
What he sings?
Very good songs.
Yeah.
Very trendy. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Good trendy songs. Young youth in the business. Going places.
You think he's like leading the dancehall industry now?
Sean says so, so I agree with Sean.
That's why I asked, because
he has a song with Sean.
He has a song with Sean?
Cannot remember the song for the life of me right now. My head is full of bars.
Who do you guys think is leading the dancehall industry right now? Sean says it's Massacre.
Tracy.
What?
You guys look so good. You know about that?
The last time I was down with the dancehall was that guy who did the black in his eyes. I used to know a lot of his songs.
Oh,
what's his name again?
Oh, Jesus.
I loved him. Alkaline.
Right. Massacre.
I loved Alkaline.
Tracy not leaving some for Scott. So what? Massacre and Valiant. He was begging earlier.
Yes, I'm leaving this.
She's gonna end up stealing my cookie jar. That's what's gonna happen. So Drew says, "Lady B, what you put in the drinks?"
I don't know. She put chamomile in mine. Maybe that's why I'm feeling so calm, collected.
This powder thing. Oh, this is horrible. Let me get a wet wipe. And put back my Dirty Paul jersey.
I love
that. I bought to support.
I'm probably gonna steal it.
It's very cozy.
Yeah. I'm gonna steal it. But I'm just gonna say this one time. Just one time.
That's one time.
You guys should wear panty liners in the summer. It's too hot. Too hot.
So what the panty liner not gonna stop your pum pum from getting musty?
You can change it. You can change it every couple of hours. Like, I'm not saying wear a panty liner all day, whole day, all day. I'm saying wear a panty liner and you can change it like every 2 hours or so, like when you want a refresh, you know?
True.
You shouldn't just be stinky.
Or like what I like to do is I have on my panty liner, and then like if I feel like it's getting a little musty or want to refresh, I pull off the panty liner and you have your panty. But you should really walk. I should really walk with an extra panty liner. But I rip out my panty liner sometimes.
Just wipe with a wet wipe. Redo a panty liner. That's what I do.
What do you mean? And redo the panty liner? I don't walk with panty liner.
No, you don't.
No.
I walk with panty liner and wet wipes.
You have musty pum pum.
Well, it's fat.
I wasn't expecting that.
It's a chubby little girl.
That's why you have a problem with your carnival costume them. Why you looking at Tracy? Your lip them. See Trey? No Trey, your lip.
I know.
It's not carnival unless Tracy lips are out, you know.
They love the road.
But I didn't realize I had a lip out, but not because my pum pum was fat. You know, have a spaghetti pum pum. You have a lasagna. So, but I think it was my body trying to regulate the heat.
Oh, so you just let one lip out.
One lip came out and I was feeling cool, you know?
Yeah,
so I was like, oh. And then I saw Twilight, and I don't know why, but I was like, Twilight, did you see that? My whole lip was out. She's like, no, I did not. I was like, oh, well, I feel hot now that I've put it back in. You know? So, but anyway.
Yeah.
So sometimes these are how these things go, you know? So.
What are you doing with the kids this weekend?
So I am actually going to Mexico. I'm going to Mexico with my friend them. And what are my kids doing? I don't care. I won't be here. Between Nana and Uncle Timmy, they will be, I don't know,
doing something.
They'll be doing something. I bought 3 little books for Levi today. He's been reading. And he'll say he wants to read. And the books are $850 each, but I bought them. I closed my eyes and I bought them.
Where you bought them?
In Fontana. I know that's expensive. I'm going to actually look for the one readers, but I saw I liked one in the series, so I bought more. And then Oh, we're going to be talking somewhere. So opening up soon will be a library sponsored by Valerie Levy and Associates in the Cassava Peace area. So I donated over 100 books to that. Mommy has donated books. So I'm sorry, I gave away some of Stevie's books, but it was for a really good cause.
So can I go to the library?
Yes you can. Yes you can. You can go. They're going to do little classes. They'll do art classes. They'll do reading. So when we come back, I'm going to go. Maybe we can shoot a show from. Well, it's a library. They're not going to want us there. We're very loud. But we're going to find out some more about it.
My scalp got burnt on Carnival Day, and I'm still like...
Stop flashing your hair. Jodi, you should show us more of Homework Club. Let me tell you something. It is so hard to wrangle those 4 little piglets, sissy man. It's like, you know, when you oil... Well, I don't know who oils down a pig and tries to catch it, but it's just like that. It's like, come back, come. Remy in particular.
She is a piglet.
She is a piglet. Yo, the other day, I sure told you guys this. I have like my body butter. So she sees me using it. So she's like, Mommy, can I use your lotion? So I'm in here doing something. So I said, go ahead. Remy comes back in here and I can see my reflection in her stomach. She is dripping. Like her little footprints are like oil spots. So I'm now trying to like rub her down, and I'm like, Remy, you are going to slip out of the bed. I had to use a towel and rub her off. She was like a little greased down pig ready for the fryer.
But she likes to be greased down. Like she likes when her hair is greased. I don't like it.
Just like her mother.
I don't like it.
Well, you guys like Homework Club? Ona voice sounds so much deeper today. Not sure if it's IG. It's because my Belge stuck in my throat. I just got home from Mexico. What do we need? What do we need to take? What do we need to bring? Oh, I need to pack my neck pillow. How long was it? How long is the flight?
Like 4 hours.
So it's me, you, and Tiffany in the row?
I don't know what Tiffany's saying.
No, I think Tiffany is in front with Bianca. And let me take my neck pillow. You missed videos of the kids' art. I'll give you some more. Where is the mic? We forgot to order it.
Who is we?
I'm just so overwhelmed with things to do.
Go and make a list.
Jodi teaching and all of them doing their own thing. Then Jodi calls some random names. So I was like, and I'm going out on the limb, and I'm like, okay, guys, root words, and I'm using fun root words, and you know, we're giving examples, and then all of a sudden, the same time, all of them check out. Every single last one of them. So then hear me now. Yes, Tinkerbell. Yes, Peter Pan. Yes, me. Good job. Here, McKenna. I'm Tinkerbell's sister. Tracy. I know that lost it. I was like, oh, so you were listening. Mexico hot. You're going to see the Caribbean side of Mexico. I don't even know. I just have to follow the itinerary was given. Feeling overwhelmed, sip Lady B Mixology and feel better. And make sure you check her out at Lady B Mixology over on IG. And you will see her Cinco de Mayo
These are big bags? I feel like I'm just not.
Yes, like I'm not denting it. Lots of sunblock and big hats. It's hot. I don't really want to leave the hotel. I hate all of this sightseeing. I'm not a museum girl at all. I'm really not. I want to be by the beach. I want to be by the pool. I want to lie down in a bed. Like I'm away from my kids. Like, you know. I want to go and see a museum. I don't care who painted that. I've gone these years without knowing who painted it. I'll be fine.
Well, she's definitely not doing it for the culture.
I mean,
I'm not doing it for the tacos.
I'll do it for the IG stories. I'm not that kind of tourist though.
What kind of tourist are you, Jodi?
I'm the pool tourist. I'm the lie down tourist. I'm the one more, please. One more. Thank you. Woo. Let's take a dip and pee in the pool. And then you go in the pool and you pee. You don't have to go far from your chair. And then you drink some more. And you're one more. Want something? That's the kind of tourist I am. I always be like, so he painted that in 1938? Oh my God, his colors and the texture of that. He was way above his time. I don't care. I don't care who painted that. I don't care. I don't care about the use of colors and water paints and the friggin' pyramids and how they had to build that with big blocks and it must have been the dinosaurs. I don't care. I don't care.
That's honest of you. I appreciate that. Because, you know, there's something to everybody. Without you, the butlers would never have a job.
The butlers? Oh, I love the butlers. I will get, just please keep us fed and drinked, and I'll give you a tip. I appreciate your hard work. Thank you. Thank you very much. What? Shots? Hi! You my kind of guy. You know, like... Love the shirts. Clean. You know a lot. Not everyone I've been asking, but everyone do. I pick and choose what to eat though. Same so Jodi. Take a sip for me. I need it so much right now. Okay, Angel, taking a sip for you. If you guys get to decide where Taxo is, it's sterling silver capital. Expensive though. But the hike? You're getting blocked. Hike? I don't, in the group somebody asked we should download Google Maps. And I'm like, why are we downloading a map?
I know.
Why would we be downloading a map?
Where are you going? Like, you need a map. She's like, why would you just take an Uber?
I am not hiking. I'm not walking anywhere. I'm taking slippers and high heels. I am not taking no sneakers to go hike and like be with all the turistas. Like, ay, so muy caliente. Oh, but he's so beautiful here. I don't care. I don't care. I want to see a pool. I want to see a reflection of a building in a pool. I'm a butler. Por favor. That's all I want. I don't care about the...
Well, Jodi's in for a shock, this Mexico trip.
And the itinerary is full.
No, but the funny thing about it is that the itinerary is not full. We literally have on the itinerary breakfast, lunch, dinner. So 3 places to eat and 1 activity per day. And Jodi's like, the itinerary is full. Like, yes, we have to eat.
Did you pack a cup?
No.
Pack a cup. And what else did Tiffany say? A cup and... She said to pack 2 things that I have. A cup and... I looked at it, pack a cup.
Okay.
No Renaissance for Jodi. This bitch ain't no Beyonce. I don't need no Renaissance. I is good. I is good.
Yeah. Well, Jodi's in for a shock of this trip. And anyway, so like, there's some friends coming on the trip and they're bringing their partners. And so Jodi is like a nudist. And these people are bringing their partners, and then... Like,
I've been smoking too.
Yes.
I went to LA, and my friend came, and we went to Target, and I bought... I mean, I didn't buy PJs, but I bought like little shorts, and you know when you sleep in a vest and you wake up and your titty be out? So I had to buy like a regular shirt so that the breast can be in, you know? So, and then I promised I won't walk around the Airbnb naked. I mean, naked is subjective, you know? Jodi's mood today was my mood yesterday. Are you guys going to St. Thomas, U.S. Virgin Islands Carnival? Haven't planned on it.
When is it?
We can plan a B-Day weekend trip. I want to go away, says Nushi. Nushi, I told you what the trips were coming up, but we could plan a... What do you mean? Like, oh, Tracy wants to plan something for her birthday.
Nushi, we can go to Panama for your B-Day weekend.
Oh yeah, you guys are both born in December, don't it? I'm a nudist too. It's funny, you know, because there's 2 types of people or houses in the world, households, well, from these selections. You're either come from a naked house or a non-naked house. And it's very obvious when you come from, like, a non-naked house. You know what I mean? Like, kids who... Because I'll be like here, like, I remember the day I was doing something and Sarah walked in. Because Winsome is a non-naked, is a clothed house, right? And Sarah walked in and I was doing my makeup and I think I had on pasties because I know she's a clothed house. So I had on pasties and Sarah was like, Auntie Jodi, what is that? And I was like, oh, it's just a pasty I put over my nipples so you don't see through my clothes. And I was like, oh God, I want to get in trouble. But yeah. And then Levi, it's funny because when Levi goes to like other naked people's houses and they're naked there, he doesn't stare at their breasts. He doesn't, he like go like, Auntie Nushi, another naked house. Can I have a blah, 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 blah? You know? But he doesn't like stare. He's like, what is that? And you have a pom pom. Remy now says pom pom. I've tried to ignore it. Mommy, what pants I must put on my pom pom? And I'm like, alright, Remy, what happened to the word chuchu or vagina? Can we not say pom pom? She waits for my reaction. Mommy, look at my pom pum. Like, stop saying that.
She's so funny. She's so funny. She's such a tyrant.
I live in a naked house, but I was raised conservatively. My mother was literally raised by nuns. Girl, you want to come over here? You're in a real shock. Anyway, you come over to my house. You're shock. Yeah, my kids used to it. I love Remy. I have to tell her. I'm going to have to tell her today that she can't say the word pum pum. I'm going to try to catch her doing it. I'm sure there'll be people who cuss. I'm like, I can't believe your daughter's saying that. It's so inappropriate. It is. But she heard me saying it. And then when she said it, I laughed. So I was like, I can't laugh. And then, you know, so I'm just going to laugh. And then I'm going to go over here and we'll talk about it later. I love being in a naked house. I remember when I came back from Europe. I lived in Europe for a year. I came back and Tracy brought her friends over. And I was doing laundry and I was in my panty.
Alone. Thong. That's it. Just a thong.
It was not the first time Strolly was seeing me naked though.
No,
please.
Strolly has definitely seen me.
He walked in and rolled his eyes.
He's like, hi Jodi. She's like, come and give me a hug. And Strolly's like, no, please leave me alone. And then she like runs after Strolly to hug him. Strolly's like, leave me alone, Jodi.
I love those guys that you grew up with that are like so like brotherly.
Over you. Yeah. I think that's how Stevie and Colt are gonna be. Like,
I love that.
Oh my gosh, Colty is the best though. She says, Mommy, can I go to the beach with Colty?
Your ring is lovely. Is there diamond or sapphire in it? It's dirty. It removes body shame. Yeah. Pum pum. Anyway, everybody, that's it for today's show. Yeah. We will see you not next week, but the week after. We're going to be enjoying our Cinco de Mayo in.
We'll see you next week on the 7th. The next show is the 7th.
We're coming home on the 7th.
No, we're coming home on the 6th.
We are?
Yeah.
Girl, my dates are so mixed up. So we'll see you on the 7th. Oh, Lady B. Let me link Nadine and tell her. Because I told her we're coming home on Tuesday. Okay. So we will. How's Stevie? How is Stevie? Stevie good, man.
She's so sweet.
Shut up.
She's so sweet.
She's supposed to come over here later to chew bubblegum with me.
That's true. She said, Mommy, can I go to Auntie Jodi so we can chew bubblegum?
Right.
I'm just checking on her.
Alright, everybody. Thank you so much for joining us. And we will see you next week, Tuesday, with our recap of Mexico. Who got arrested? Who had fun? Who got a tattoo? Who is now not friends anymore? And who got their hair shaved off while they were sleeping? Alright, everybody. Thank you so much. And we will see you next week. Bye.
Bye, everybody.